We make each other laugh.
All the time.
Hi everyone. It's another plated day. Today we are going to make what, Deb?
Seared steak quesadillas with poblano salsa and chimichurri.
Sounds good. Mm-hmm. So what do we need?
Help.
Let's get the ingredients.
Okay. Our herb mix, cilantro and parsley.
Okay.
Half a pint of grape tomatoes.
Okay.
1 clove of garlic. 1 poblano chili. Wow.
The size of that thing.
That one's gonna be all you, baby.
All right.
2 steaks.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Pre-measured. You gotta love that.
Okay.
1 packet Cholula hot sauce.
Okay.
There we go. 4 flour tortillas.
Okay.
4 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. And 2 ounces of Monterey Jack.
Everything's better with cheddar.
There we go.
So what's our prep? What do we gotta do?
Pick cilantro and parsley leaves, discarding stems,
Okay. Then you wash it first.
and rinse all produce.
Okay.
So let's go with yes. If you don't have a blender or a food processor for making the chimichurri, chop herbs as finely as possible. Have the tomatoes, mince the garlic, have the poblano lengthwise.
Let's find our mini food processor.
Okay.
Now lots of pepper.
We have rinsed and have the tomatoes. Helps if I close the lid. Have the poblano lengthwise, discarding seeds and stem. Then cut into 1/4 inch dice. Be sure to wash your knife, board, and hands after. Let's just do that. There's our peppers. There's our tomatoes.
Okay, I patted the meat dry, and then I put salt and pepper to taste.
We're gonna cook that on 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium pan over medium-high heat. Yep, listen to that sizzle. Listen to that vent. You can then come home and plus, it's going to keep cooking while it's here on the plate. And it's going to cook a little bit while it's in the quesadilla. Yeah. The red wine vinegar, that's this. Hot sauce. The cilantro / parsley, which I'm pretty sure is only one of the two. But hey, we'll go with it. Garlic. Three tablespoons of olive oil. Tablespoons, okay. 1, 2, 3, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some pepper. I like how they're like pepper as desired, which for me usually means Just a couple of shakes and blend until smooth. Okay, I think we have, okay, and then set aside, and in a small bowl mix together cheddar and Monterey Jack to combine. Cheddar and Monterey Jack. Blended. Smells like cheese.
Let me taste it to make sure it is
Knew
cheese.
that was gonna happen. Okay, once rested, cut the steaks against the grain into 1/4-inch slices. Rub a baking sheet with 2 teaspoons of olive oil.
Is it too pink?
Not for me.
Yeah.
We are rubbing the baking sheet with 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Did that already. Adding 2 tortillas, side by side. Layer evenly with half of the cheese blend. Then add steak and 1 teaspoon of chimichurri. Half of the cheese blend. So split the steak evenly between the two. One teaspoon of chimichurri. Super cooked one on one and the more rare one on the other. Then we just need to remember which one has which, because you know me. That already isn't done enough for me. A chunk. Putting a chunk right in the middle. Right there's a bald spot. There you go. One teaspoon chimichurri, finish with the remaining cheese blend and remaining tortillas. And brush tops of quesadillas with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. See?
Two teaspoons of oil over medium-high heat. Oh, yummy.
Those are good?
Yeah.
Don't look too greasy, do they? So tomatoes and salt and pepper. So it's about 3 more minutes.
somehow I've managed to lose the end of this video. I don't know what I did with it. I either accidentally deleted it or I didn't push record. Who knows? So instead of just throwing this away, I decided to do a reenactment of the end of the video. Since most of us already prepared, all we had to do was show the eating part of it and what our thoughts were on the meal. So without further ado, here it is. That's good, plated. What do you think, Deb?
That's delicious.
Perfect. Another good meal from Plated. And now for something completely different. Say a phrase for me.
What do you need me to say?
I need you to say, that's delicious.
Excuse me, ma'am? Is your address?
Anytime.
That's delicious.
Try it again.
That's delicious.
Okay, this time make it a question.
Why?
Because I gotta figure out which one to use.
How do I make that a question?
That's delicious?
That's delicious.